Michelin, a better way forward. After intensive research and development, Michelin launches Easy Grip, a new generation of composite snow chain which provides the ultimate performance on snow-covered roads and is easy to use. Easy Grip is suitable for the majority of chainable vehicles and is easy to fit and remove. The innovative structure comprises a central aramid cable covered in woven polyamide and then coated in polyurethane. The assembly of these composite materials optimizes the resistance to wear. In addition, 150 galvanized steel clips can be found on the band, which makes contact with the ground, providing the maximum grip on snow. Compact and light, Easy Grip is approved for use in areas in France where snow chains are mandatory. Easy Grip is extremely easy to fit. Easy Grip comes with an easy-to-follow illustrated user guide and a pair of gloves. Simply pull Easy Grip over the tire with the junction band at the top. Use the red straps to center Easy Grip. Roll the wheel through a half turn. Ensure that the central disc is in the center of the wheel. In 2 minutes, your tires are chained. Benefit from an excellent grip in snow, superb traction and control. For optimum safety, Easy Grip is equipped with a reflective night vision security system which improves the lateral vision of your vehicle in the dark. Easy Grip is easily removed. Simply pull the elastic cable towards the outside of the wheel. This design of composite snow chain is a technical innovation exclusive to Michelin. Michelin, a better way forward.